Okay, hi everyone. My name is Jeremy Greifenstein. I'm a junior studying ecology and evolutionary biology. First off, I have to thank whoever sets up the Be Involved fair on campus, because I would not be where I am today without them. Let me explain. After all the COVID craziness of 2020 and in the beginning of 2021, last fall it finally seemed like the university was starting to become more open and things were slowly getting back to normal. So, one September afternoon, I decided to go to the annual fair they have at Norling Quad in hopes to finally join some clubs or find employment. Just as I was beginning to leave, I stumbled upon the CU Museum tent, and I believe Rebecca was manning the booth and told me about this program the museum was running called the Change Collective. After reading the flyer, I saw there was a diatom lab assistant position. The possibility of working at a lab combined with personal and professional development sessions was exactly what I was looking for. So I applied immediately, and once accepted, I was not exactly sure what to expect, particularly my work with diatoms. In our introductory Change Collective meeting, I remember Pat, the curator of diatoms and director of the museum, introducing himself by saying, "Well, I study scum." And after that, I was 100% in. I've always had a deep appreciation for our planet and a love of nature. However, I've always focused my interest towards macroorganisms. I wanted to set myself up for a career studying large animals like wolves or sharks. Although touched on in my classes, the microbial world was not something I believed I would truly throw myself into. Being part of the diatom lab on campus has truly made me reconsider that belief. Diatoms, as Rachel said, are photosynthetic single-celled algae that live in almost every water source, and I had no idea how diverse and beautiful their world is. Nor do many people, I might add. Though the processing and cleaning of samples was not the highlight of my life, the real fun came when we started using the microscopes. I did not realize how fun it actually is to sit and look through a microscope for an extended period of time. Looking at hundreds and hundreds of little organisms on one small slide puts your own life into perspective and how lucky we are to be human. The fact that we found 2 new species is also an incredible feeling as a scientist in the making. Our research consistently makes my e-bio brain churn and has refined my scientific skills. The more we discuss morphology and phylogenetics, the more and more questions I have. It makes me excited that I have barely scratched the surface of this world, and there are many, many more genera to explore. Paired with my work in the lab has been our Change Collective meetings. These have almost been more rewarding, as I underestimated at first how much the personal and professional development sessions would help. Discussing where everyone was at in their life at a given moment, while having activities that encourage sustainability within ourselves and the museum, was something I look forward to every week. Through various panels, interviews, and listening to every member's perspectives, I realized we're all in the same boat. No one has a clear path in life, but if you follow your passions and form relationships with good people who want to see you succeed, whatever your definition of success may be, it will work out. The meetings help me stay positive about my life and career path while offering tools to aid my well-being and success. Reflecting on my personal goals was something that I had not done previously, and I encourage everyone to do so because it is a great exercise. My main reason for applying to CU and majoring in eBio was to study something environmental while experiencing Colorado's natural beauty. Yet, I wanted to set myself up for a career in which I could have a genuine impact in the world. I know it sounds kind of cheesy, but I want my life to have some sort of meaning beyond myself. I believe climate change is the defining problem of our generation, as it will be up to us to find a sustainable way of living on this planet. Promoting sustainable futures is the type of work that makes me just feel good about myself. I feel proud to have helped create several events for students and Boulder residents through this program. My time at the museum has reaffirmed my belief that these institutions can be the backbone of inspiring knowledge and change in communities. I can easily see myself working in similar institutions later in life, and I would enjoy every minute of it. I want to thank my fellow Change Collective members, Rebecca, Pat, and everyone else that has helped along the way. It is you I have to thank for refining my career choices and being part of something that is truly good for our community. And I can truly say that I'm excited for what the future will hold.